What's up, y'all? We back at it again.
สวัสดีค่ะ
And today we got something very special for y'all once again. So one day we were just out eating, you know, just at the market, and we made friends with the Tokyo lady. So now we back, and she finna teach us how to personally make her famous Tokyo.
Girl, Tokyo is snack. Yeah, let them know.
Oh,
Tokyo is snack. So
Tell them what it is. Tell them what it is.
it's like a snack. It's like a pancake, but it's not like
Right,
pancake.
pancake with custard. You get meat in it. You can customize it however you want to do it. They'll get you right. So now we here for a little tutorial. You feel me? Y'all ain't never seen a Tokyo tutorial. Right, and then you know we still got on our all black because of Queen and stuff, but we repping for sure morning. But we out here, so y'all stay tuned and see how this goes. All right, so we're on the way to the Tokyo cart. And this is the little food mart on the way there, but it looks like everybody's closed currently. What are they at?
They open like later.
Oh, they open later.
Like probably like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
Right.
Like
Yeah.
people getting ready though.
Right.
And stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty good though. I ate here a couple times, you know. So we're gonna make some Tokyos and grab some food. All right, one more thing before we get there. Every time we get there, dude, she gets really happy though. So y'all finna see her smile and shit. And when she have a bad day, she see us, she get happy. Uh-oh, world famous Tokyo. Sorry, Cobb. World famous Tokyo, bro. This is the world famous tune.
ออกมาก่อนเที่ยงครึ่ง
Kun?
She been selling since 12:30 p.m.
Right, well, we should came earlier then.
น่า
Wait,
จะมาเร็วกว่านี้ฮะ
เขาบอกว่าน่าจะมาเร็วกว่านี้ไม่รู้
hello.
เราเห็นว่านัดกันแล้วก็เลยไม่อยากเปลี่ยนแปลงไม่เป็นไร
อ๋อแต่เที่ยงยังอยู่นี่อยู่เลยไปนวดค่ะ
So we're here at the famous tune, man. They running their stuff and tie. I don't really know what's going on, but just catching up on what's going on, and then she gonna teach us how to do it. Now I put my little apron on.
เป็นพ่อค้า1 วัน
Tokyo job. Yeah, let me get in my little spot.
It's kind of bright. Careful the stove.
Oh, how I do this? I need my teacher.
ครูไปไหนคุณครูไปไหนก็สอนทำแล้ว
What I do?
This is the teacher. She gonna teach him how to make Tokyo. Okay. So.
Alright, what I do first? Take this.
โอเคทำไงก่อนคะตอนแรก
เอาเลยค่ะนี่มาตักขึ้นมาตักมือ
Grab it a little bit one. And go put on boop boop. And then
เรียนรู้เร็วนะเนี่ย
Hold on, let's do a little.
ได้
boop boop. And do it. There we go.
Oh.
Do a little bit more. Do a
เดี๋
little
ยว
more.
ลองเอามาเดี๋ยวตึ้งจะทำให้ดูไม่แพ้หรอกเทลงไปดิ
Put it back.
จะให้เนี่ยลงตรง
Look.
ตรงกลาง
In the middle.
กระจายออก ข้างเนี่ยจะได้เวลาเราใส่ไส้มันจะได้ใส่ได้
So when you can put the stuff in the
It's fun,
เอาข้างนี้ไฟจะแรงเอาข้างนี้จะหมุนง่ายกว่า
yeah.
Start in the middle.
In the middle. There we go. Yeah, a little bit
เร็ว
more.
นะเนี่ย
More.
Oh, dude.
ได้
It's fun, dude. What I do?
สนุกจัง
เอาไอ้
So now, wait.
ไส้ป่ะ
What I do?
ไอ้ไส้ด้วย
Put the custard in there.
A little bit. I don't want. Oh, okay. Now take the custard. Oh. One mile.
อันนี้ได้ใส่หมดเลย
Everyone, put to everyone.
Yeah, this kind of fun, dude. Oh.
มันได้ไหม
You got it. What's next?
อันนี้ได้แล้ว สุกแล้ว
Oh, I didn't burn this one.
roll it roll it yeah roll it it's hot
Roll it. How you roll it?
yeah just roll like a blunt
ให้มันทีไปที่เพราะว่ามันจะไม่เลอะมือเรา
อ่า
เราจะร้อนหน่อยนะจำได้แรกเพราะเราไม่เคย
It was at this moment he knew he f***ed up.
Kill Jack. Kill Jack. Kill Jack.
oh okay
ทำครั้งแรกได้ขนาดนี้โอเคเลย
หันมาถามโตเกียวใช่ไหม That thing was flipping
โบดขายให้ด้วยนะ
oh
Tokyo Jack. Okay, nah, one mark.
น้องเคมี too sweet
Oi.
อร่อย
Ah, the loach. Oh. Nee.
เออ
Let me show you.
okay
It's all in the scrape.
เนี่ย
เหมือนได้อยู่ต้องกินฝีมือตัวเองด้วยนะ
Oh. Oh, shit.
ทำไส้เค็มบ้าง
You gotta go like this.
ได้คนทำกับขนมใหม่ไม่ได้ใช่
Tokyo Jack.
นี่เขาบอกโตเกียวจ้าต้องมาอุดหนุนเขาด้วยนะ
5 baht.
5 บาท
5 บาท
โตเกียวเจ้านี้อร่อย
Oh.
อร่อยมาก อันนี้กินติดใจเลย อร่อยมาก
Alright, I'm done. I'm cool.
ที่หนีบ
What I do?
หนีบไว้ข้างๆ
the tong
ที่หนีบหนีบเอาไว้ข้างๆเดี๋ยวเรา
put it to the side and yeah just like that
Oh. I'm selling Tokyo, you know what I'm saying? Come pull up on me. That's where I'm at all day.
It's burned okay
I'm inside my Tokyo. What is it?
to out there oh it's hot now
Okay.
you didn't put the custard yet
Oh, it's too hot. I have to make sure. Alright, custard. I got every tool.
right put it down
อันนี้ใส่เส้นไส้กรอกก็ได้
It's like, oh. Cake pop.
ตื่นเต้นหนึ่ง
หมูใส่ตรงนี้
and then put pork right there
Move.
put the two down first you can put the two down careful the hand
โอเค
okay
เดี๋ยวรอให้แป้ง
Ain't
สุก
trying to waste all the food.
that's it
Cake pop.
and then wait
Now wait. It's hard, dude. It's kind of difficult.
ยากนะ
ร้อนไหม
it's hot ร้อนไหม
Lawn? Yeah, a little hot too. Shit.
ต้องกินเองด้วยนะ
ไม่ใช่ so you have to eat that too
I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat all of them.
เขาบอกว่ากินหมดนี่เลย
โอเคได้เลยนี่จะยากหน่อยเพราะว่า
this one a little hard
พับครึ่ง
you have to put half
นี่เข้าไป
do half first and roll
อีกทีนึง
one more time ปุ๊บ
Oh.
it's okay first time ครั้งแรกไม่เป็นไร
ต้องให้มันสุกก่อนแล้วจะได้จะหกออกเอาแค่ ขายเลย
Look at that. Y'all see my signature right here? I wrote Bak. Bak. Tokyo Ja. Tokyo. No Tokyo. Tokyo Ja.
she already order
Oh shit.
get out
Oh, wait, sorry.
ขายเลย
Hold on, I'm out.
Put it back. Careful the stove. Where the tongue at?
Which one? These?
2. Careful. It's 6. Custard 6 in the middle. You see? 6. No, separate bag.
Okay, that's bad. That's bad.
Leo.
โอ้ย Try.
เขารอแล้วเนี่ย she's waiting พ่อค้านี่
I put 6 in here.
ผมจะใส่ไง
That's 4. Hold on.
อันนี้ 4
ใส่นี่ก็ได้
you can put in here 2 more
แถมเขา1 ชิ้น
free one
ครับผม
ครับผม
มีคนช่วย
Come back now.
โอเค good job เอาของเขาใส่ถุง
Ooh, it's burning behind that grill, y'all. I don't know how she do it every day. I'm burning, sweating. But it was fun though, dude. How y'all think I did? I did pretty good. That's how she be, y'all. She just take my wallet. Cop. Oh.
อย่าคิดที่ซื้อไม่เอา
Oh. She ain't trying to take it.
you give it to her
Right, yeah. Just hide it. Look. Just put it in the bucket. Just hide it somewhere. Cop. She don't want to take it though, y'all. We're trying to, give her a little tip. But it's alright. This is how it's supposed to look, y'all. Mine kinda looked it like this. But this is how the professional do it. Professional. Mine's a little crooked to the side. But yeah. Ooh.
ครั้งแรกได้ขนาดนี้โอเคแล้วตู้ยังไม่ทำได้ขนาดนี้ครั้งแรก
Damn, y'all, she got my wallet again. How she keep getting that? So now we gotta get a smoothie for dessert. Oh, dropping. Oh, snap. Too much. Cash out on Tokyo. Now it's time to get a smoothie. It's hot. A drink, bending, bap. Sister, she got a surprise for me and she went over here. Uh-oh. What's over there? Oh.
จะใส่น้ำแข็งเอานะ
Oh, cop. Thank you. Oh, Sam, dude. That's my favorite juice, dude. Damn, that's lit. She showed love for sure. Dude, she gave us this big ass thing with juice, bro. You told her to make that for us or something?
I told her you like it
Oh. So I just told her I like this juice, y'all. And she didn't bust open the big bag of that shit for me. So I hope it's good, but
she
probably
says it's help a lot like blood pressure and stuff too
Right.
it's a lot of benefit
Right, what's the juice called again?
กระเจี๊ยบพุทราจีน
Right, so check it out. It's busting, guaranteed.
it's like a cranberry juice มาหาน้อง
She got my
โต
damn
เกียว
wallet again, y'all. Look, hide.
this mine
Oh, now she gonna go out here and think she's slick.
put mine back because I bought yours smoothie
Oh, she got it again, y'all. She got it again. She thinks she's slick. I always got my damn wallet, y'all. Oh, yeah. Hooks it back. Alright, y'all. Just cooked the Tokyo. Got some snacks. Got some juice. Got some
food got some
smoothie. Got some drinks. She's still holding my wallet. Ain't that some shit?
I mean as a wife right
Right.
so
alright, y'all.
happy what
Happy wife, happy life. You heard me? Might take her shopping now, y'all. She doing good today, y'all. But anyways, y'all stay tuned. More Plugzilla.
see y'all in next episode
You heard me? We giving y'all that uncut, raw material. Y'all ain't never seen nothing like this. ever. So like, comment, subscribe.